At Neufeld Learning Systems, our collective experience as mathematics teachers, department heads, and consultants has helped us to cultivate our vision of how technology may be used to empower teachers and deepen the understanding of mathematics for students of all ability levels. Our mission to effect positive change in the instruction of mathematics is the foundation of everything we develop at Neufeld Learning. Our product offerings include Understanding Numeration Classic, our software for kindergarten through 3rd grade, UMathX, our browser-based program for 3rd grade through Algebra 1, and our Professional Learning Series, all of which are the results of our commitment to and our passion for making a difference in mathematics education. The Understanding Math series of programs unpack mathematical concepts into their discrete sub-concepts in a highly interactive, computer-based learning environment. The concepts are developed from the concrete to the pictorial to the abstract using multiple representations. Students learn from their mistakes and at their own pace, making the mathematical concepts accessible to everyone. Multiple approaches are modeled throughout the programs, further assisting teachers in communicating numerous ways to solve a given problem while fostering rich mathematical discourse regarding when particular approaches are better or more efficient than others. Understanding Numeration is designed around the 5 concept selections identified by NCTM for kindergarten through 3rd grade. Auditory enhancements are available with corresponding text reinforcement in both English and Spanish. Embedded assessments called skills tests are available for each lesson. Corresponding printable off-computer practice sheets are also available for every lesson within Understanding Numeration. UMathX, our browser-based program for 3rd grade to Algebra 1, assists with conceptual development of key concepts as identified by Common Core standards via highly interactive lessons that utilize a variety of instructional representations to deeply develop mathematical understandings. UMathX includes many additional features, including English auditory enhancement, bookmarking, progress monitoring, tracking, customizable online assessments, calculator, and in-program communication tools. Teachers and students may access UMathX wherever they have internet access. In the classroom, in computer lab, at home, or at the local public library. Students of all ability levels are empowered to develop their own deep understanding of concepts by completing lessons which develop concepts from the concrete to the abstract using both virtual and hands-on manipulatives. Numerous online support resources are available on our website, www.neufeldlearning.com. These resources include correlations to the Common Core, support sheets with off-computer exercises for every lesson, word banks, frameworks for learning, and REACH lesson plans for RTI, complete with differentiated instruction activities. Frameworks for learning are designed for pairs of students to explore and develop concepts by working through a preset series of lessons on the computer while recording notes regarding their discussions, strategies, and conjectures on the Frameworks for Learning worksheet. Each framework is divided into 3 parts: getting started, working at it, and reflecting and connecting. The Getting Started section includes a warm-up type activity or series of questions that require students to engage in mathematical discourse while using a variety of tools to reason, make connections, and to solve problems. Working at it takes the development of the concepts to a deeper level while requiring students to communicate convincing arguments of particular representations, procedures, and solutions. The Reflecting and Connecting section reinforces learning by asking students to think about their thinking, as well as process, extend, and apply their understanding of the concepts learned at the conclusion of the lesson. Frameworks are designed to assist teachers with the immediate implementation of UMathX and require students to model examples using manipulatives, to draw illustrations to justify work, discuss mathematical reasoning with peers, and provide written explanations about math topics covered within the frameworks. The frameworks are conveniently organized into 2 categories on our website, one for grades K to 5 and the other for middle school and high school. Parallel questions, writing, and math vocabulary are emphasized throughout each framework for learning. As the phrase at the conclusion of each framework indicates, students are required to build, draw, talk, and write about the concepts covered so that at the conclusion of the activity, they own it, meaning the students have developed their own personal, deeper understanding of the math covered in the lesson. Our REACH lessons offer differentiated instruction ideas and activities for teachers to assist with meeting the diverse needs of all learners, struggling to gifted. The lessons require 1 to 10 days of instruction and are based on an inclusion model for RTI. If improvement is sought in student performance on standardized tests, then there must be focused attention on affecting what happens in the classroom while teaching students mathematics. Increased performance is directly connected to changes in teaching practices and to engaging all students with resources with the greatest potential for learning. To learn more about how Neufeld Learning Systems would like to partner with you to make mathematics accessible to all of your students, please contact our head office toll-free at 1-866-429-6284.